Good morning, Port St. Lucie. Welcome back to another episode of PSL Daily Download, your first and only stop to all things real estate in Port St. Lucie. Today we got a great show for you, but before we get started, today is May 17th, 2024. Happy Friday. My name is Jaime and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a lot of good stuff to talk about. More importantly, no money down, zero money down. So I know I'm excited. I know you're excited. Let's jump in. We'll go through the numbers real quickly. Not a lot of movement overall, so I'm going to hit the monthly updates on these and then we'll move forward. So let's see what inventory has done. And again, it's been a mixed bag all month. And I know spring buying season does this. There's a lot of people that are putting homes on the market. And there's a lot of people coming in and scooping them up. So inventory kind of jumps up, then jumps back down, and it's kind of a mixed bag. So let's see where we're at month to date on these numbers. So inventory in Port St. Lucie is up 1.44% month to date. For homes listed under 375, we are up 1.18%. For homes listed above 375, we are up 1.52%. Now, homes that are reduced in price have actually gone down almost 3%. We're at 2.93% right there. There we go. And so those are actually moving. I am seeing the numbers actually come up and then they go back down, then they come up and then they come back down. So um, it looks like the more people are putting reduced prices on their home or they're reducing the price, the more they're coming off the market. So that is a good thing for our buyers. And then lastly, homes that are listed for rent is up. Now that's a big jump though, 7.23%. So out of all these, they were kind of all in line. There's a big jump on homes listed for rent. So it started at 401. Let's call it 400. We're at 419, 7% increase. So we'll see how that goes throughout the month. All right, let's jump into rates. So this is on Mortgage News Daily's daily rate survey as of the last business day, close of the last business day. I'm gonna get it one day. They had the 30-year fixed rate at 7.02. We're still just above 7%. And that is an increase from the beginning of yesterday. That's again Thursday of 0.03%. And then the FHA was at 6.55, and that's an increase of 0.03%. All right. So I will say we are having a very great run on interest rates. They've actually come down quite a bit. Not every day, but consistently over the last few weeks. So that is great stuff for us in lending, for you in real estate, and more importantly, for our buyers and sellers. More people qualify for their house. All right, let's go to the CNBC US Market Watch. And basically, except for this unchanged, we're all green. Even this red is green. So this is the VIX. This is the volatility index. So the lower this goes, that means there's less volatility in the market. So I take that as a green. You know what I mean? Um, the 10-year, so we're all green there. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yield is currently at 4.402, which is up 0.025 or 0.571%. Now, this green here doesn't mean that the pricing of the yield is higher. The yield is higher. So chances are rates may increase throughout the day if the trend continues. The pricing on the rates did increase overnight from yesterday to today. I believe it was like 9 basis point increase on the pricing. So we'll keep an eye on it. But again, if that trend continues, we may see worsening pricing come across our desk. So here's what we're talking about. UWM. So yesterday they had their annual get together where they announced a lot of great things coming down the pike, and they launched a lot of programs for us brokers to be able to help our real estate partners and our buyers. So yesterday they rolled out the 0% down purchase program, which was really their biggest rollout yesterday, and I would say probably year to date. So let me start before I get into this article. I will say there's a lot of lenders. I know that a lot of people are excited about this Hometown Heroes program coming down the pike in July, and you're telling all your clients to hold. I'm not sure I would do that, only because there may be better programs available today instead of waiting. So UWM announces 0% down purchase program. I'm going to go over the article by Yahoo Finance. This was posted yesterday afternoon after the announcement. So let's get into it here out of Michigan. All right. So I just got to look over here, make sure it's on the screen for you. So United Wholesale Mortgage, UWM, the number one overall mortgage lender in America, announced today at UWM Live, their event that I was just mentioning, the largest mortgage broker event of the year, 0% down purchase, a program aimed to help the borrowers become homeowners without an upfront down payment. The UWM exclusive program allows qualified borrowers to receive a 3% down payment assistance loan up to 15% from UWM. This loan will not accrue interest and will not require a monthly payment. UWM's 0% down purchase program is going to change the game this purchase season, said Matt Ishbia. No other wholesale lender in the country is offering this, meaning independent mortgage brokers now have a significant advantage with consumers and real estate agents. Thousands of borrowers are sitting on the sidelines because they don't have, oops, that just jumped on me there. They don't have a down payment. This program removes that barrier. To be eligible for this product, borrowers must be at or below 80% of the area median income for the address of the property they are buying, or one borrower is a first-time home buyer. No income limits. So they have a program with income limits and one without income limits. Now, so there's basically two programs, and from what I understand, there's one of them that requires a minimum of 620, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and the other one's like 700 credit score. So still great programs, and the big thing there is the no income, which I think that's where they're going to see a lot of traction, because specifically here, like let's say in Port St. Lucie, our medium income in the area is basically low. And if you're below that or 80% of that, most likely you can't qualify for a mortgage anyway. So, or it's hard, right? You got to buy a really small house, which I mean again, low priced house, and there's just not that many out there. So I think the program with the no income requirement, I think that's going to be a hit. So, and again, if you have any questions on that, let me know. But I'll give you more details. So borrowers will also have the flexibility to choose when and how often they make payments on the second lien loan, which must be paid in full by the end of the loan term, or if the first lien loan is paid off. So if you pay off the mortgage in 10 years, you got to pay off that second lien in 10 years. If you paid off in 30 years, 30 years, right? No payments, 0% interest. So it's a great starter program, and it does not affect your debt to income ratio. A lot of other programs that are similar to this, offered by a lot of lenders that I've worked with in the past to do these types of loans, they do require a payment. It's usually about 2% higher than the regular payment. So if you're getting an example, a 7 or an 8, that rate might be a 9 or a 10 on that second lien, 0%. So again, UWM being best in class across the board with their processing times. They also have these great, where clients can now save on title fees, title insurance. So there's just a lot of great ways to be able to help clients through UWM, and this is going to be a big one. So other than that, I don't want to take more of your time on a Friday. I know you guys are busy. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please, before you go, don't forget to click that like and that subscribe button. There's also a little bell that you can hit, and it'll notify you when I put out my next video. And I'm thinking about putting an interview. I've been talking with a local realtor about getting an interview done. So we'll hopefully get that done this coming week, and I'll put that out. So get notified on that. Other than that, I hope you have a productive weekend. If you're doing some open houses, I can't wait to share them with me on Facebook. I'll go ahead and share them out. Make sure you get some attention, some light on that, get some people out there. So other than that, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys Monday.